Let me know if you have heard this before. Elephants have memories like steel traps, or do they? Let's dive into this jumbo-sized question. Elephants have some of the largest brains in the animal kingdom, and their memory is pretty impressive. But saying they never forget? That's a bit of a tall tale. Scientists have documented elephants remembering watering holes and migration routes for years. They even recognize faces, both elephant and human. But, just like us, they can forget things too. So, while their memory is amazing, it's not infallible. Think of it like your grandma remembering your birthday, but maybe not what she had for breakfast. If you found this fascinating, drop a comment below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more. Until next time.